Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a new fishing rod. First, let's assemble the rod itself. Take the 2 or more sections and gently push them together. Make sure they fit snugly and securely. Then, carefully align all the guides, those small rings along the rod, so they form a straight line. Give it a quick check for any wobbling. It should feel like one solid piece. This ensures smooth line flow and optimal performance. Next, let's attach your fishing reel. Locate the reel seat on your rod, which is usually near the handle. Slide the foot of your reel into the seat. Then, twist the locking nut, often found below the reel seat, until it's hand-tight. You want the reel to be firmly secured without over-tightening. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's stable and won't shift during casting or reeling in a catch. A secure reel is crucial for control. Now, it's time to spool your fishing line. Start by threading the line through all the guides on your rod, beginning from the reel. Then, tie a secure knot, like an arbor knot, to the reel spool. With the line coming off the bottom of the filler spool, begin winding the line onto your reel, maintaining consistent tension. Fill the spool to about 1/8 inch from the rim, leaving just enough space to prevent tangles. Finally, let's get your rod ready for action. Attach your leader, if you're using one, to the main line with a strong knot. Then, tie on your preferred lure, hook, or bait rig. Before casting, adjust your reel's drag setting. A good starting point is to set it so you can pull line off the spool with moderate effort. Do a final check of all your knots and connections. You're now ready to enjoy your new fishing rod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.